Hi guys, welcome back to the Drive Life channel. In today's video we're going to talk all about charging. Now the Kia EV3 has a nice long range, but I haven't hidden the fact that one of my key reasons to go for an EV was actually to save money, because the running costs on this car is going to save about £4,000 a year, so it's going to make a huge difference. Now the key to making sure that an EV can save you a fortune is to make sure that you have a good home charger installed. That enables you to access cheap charging tariffs like Octopus Intelligent Go. Eon and Ovo do them as well, and that means that I can actually charge this car 360 miles range for just £5, just under £5. So today we're going to talk all about that, the company that I used to get my charger installed, because there's so many different chargers out there. Some are compatible with smart charging, some aren't. There's different apps, some are better than others. So I'm going to talk to you how I managed to sort of avoid all the chaos, and I just went to one set of people who were able to sort the whole thing from start to finish. So here we are then. This is the charger that we went for, or the full EV helped us go for. The full EV are a company that do everything from when you first inquire, they sort of choose the charger for you. You just tell them your needs and they will do everything from picking the right charger, setting up for you and having it installed. So just took all the guesswork out of EV chargers. So this is the Indra Smart Pro, and it's the Generation 2. So we've got an app that controls it. It's all very, very fancy. But first of all, talk a bit about the full EV. Full EV started in Wales, and they specialise in basically creating a whole package to make your life so much easier when it comes to picking your charger. They do both home chargers and commercial applications as well, so if you're a business you can have chargers put in. And they've got a great team of guys who come and install it for you super quickly. I think I made an inquiry. I had an email straight back from them the next day, because I did it on the evening. Sent a questionnaire, sent them, filled out what I needed, and the next day they came back through the recommendation for the Indra Smart Pro, and then a couple of dates when they could do. Now, Mrs. Deanne and I actually went on our honeymoon, so I said, can we hold off and we'll do it after then, and they were perfectly flexible, sorted us straight out. So the whole process was just so easy. And the most important thing is that I wanted an Octopus Intelligent Go tariff, which is 7p a kilowatt hour. So I need to know which one in particular would fit that. Obviously these guys have done it so many times, and they sorted us straight out with the best one for our needs. It's a tetherless one, or untethered, so we decided to go for an untethered one, because it's slightly cheaper, but also because our car has its own charging cable. I just thought it'd be easier rather than having a cable hanging around. Although the Indra Smart Pro you can actually wrap it round, it would just make more sense if it was just a tidy box on the wall. And the installation has been done really nicely as well. So you can see we've got a nice little smart white box on the side of this is actually our outside toilet, but it's right next to the driveways, and the cable is nice and sort of hidden, run along, as hidden as much as it can be, but it's all obviously certified to the right specifications, properly installed. And it was a bit of an intensive process because they had to install a separate breaker just because my fuse board wasn't really up to having another I think it's a large sort of current drawn from it, so they put in a separate fuse board that supplies straight from the mains as well. So that was brilliant. We'll show you what they've done inside. So this is the installation inside, and obviously I didn't have a clue what I was doing, so I just literally had to send them pictures of this, and from that they were able to work it out and give me a quote based on just this picture, a rough estimate of where I wanted it, and sort of a rough estimate of how long a cable that was. So that was fab. They also had to arrange with network, what are people called now? National Grid, to have the fuse for the house changed. So that is this thing here. They arranged that with National Grid so that we could go from a 60 amp feed up to an 80 amp. Because this house was built in the 50s, it wasn't able to take a 80 amp fuse straight away, so then National Grid came and sorted that out, all free of charge as well. So that's really, really handy, and it means that we can charge the car for, like I said, absolute pittance. Then one of the key differences about the full EV compared to regular electricians is that they're actually smart charger specialists. So what it means is there's quite a lot that goes into a smart charger. You've got to integrate it with your network provider or your electricity provider. There's apps to set up the charge as well. They've got to be connected to Wi-Fi and all that sort of thing. And the Full EV, when they installed it, sorted all of that for me as well. And we've actually now got another app. EVs, everything to do with EVs involves apps, but it does make your life so much easier because from your phone you can control everything. So it's absolutely fab. So the first app we have is the Indra app, and this gives us a really nice breakdown of all the charging that we've done so far. So we had this installed on the 23rd. You can see here where I've charged all off peak, and to give you a price, £6.88 for probably a tank and a half, and that's the nice thing with this. You can plug it in overnight and you just tell Octopus Energy what you want, and that's how the Indra feeds straight into Octopus Energy. So you actually don't need to use the Indra app to set anything up, although you can boost charge, that sort of thing. It's actually more of an information recording app, because what you can do, oh here we go, it gives you the miles as well. So 360 miles for just £6, so that's pretty good. And then we move over to the Octopus Energy app. Now I've integrated it on the app with the Octopus Intelligent Go tariff. Now all I need to do, it's got it listed here, all I need to do is plug it in and I can just set it to charge. I just tell it what time I want the car ready for, and I can set the amount of charge that I want, all the way up to 100, but I can't understand how you do that because you'd be run out of electricity by then. But what it means is that everything's taken care of. You just hit save and Octopus will work out the best time for you to charge. Now they'll get the car ready by the time you've specified, and it means that while that car charges, the whole house gets electricity for 7p per kilowatt hour. So it works really well. During the day, sometimes there's free energy or available, or there's off-peak prices available. Your whole house then runs off that off-peak price for the time that the car's charging, which is absolutely amazing. Yeah, if you're looking for someone to put in a charge point that will work with your car, your energy tariff, that sort of thing, I definitely recommend the Full EV. And obviously they've sponsored today's video, so thank you for supporting the channel to them. But yeah, as a whole, really, they're one of the best companies that I've dealt with in the whole EV charging. We've also got other quotes from different companies, and they came in really competitively and sorted us out, fitted us in, and it's all been absolutely fantastic. So I'll put their information in the description down below, and as soon as you talk to them, you'll realise how helpful they are with the whole situation, if it's just advice you need, anything like that. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.